I knew it was you. How does she like it?
She wants to go again.
She wants to go again?
So, yeah, she said she wants to go again.
Is it good? Do you like it?
It's alright. Be the pilot next time. So we were the engineers and we sit in the back. So then we have like buttons on the side to press. So next time just tell them you want to be the pilot so you can sit in the front and you can.
Okay, alright, let's be a pilot. Okay, let's go. Yeah! Whoa! Did the child swap, so putting the fast pass. Wow, look at this. So cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You want to be the pilot? You want to be the pilot this time? Oh, beep, 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 beep. Oh my god.
The Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expeditions.
Oh my gosh, you already know the way. Reina, hold on. You already know the way? Oh my god. Reina, hold on. Wait. Wow. Are you ready? Are you ready to fly the spaceship? Are you able to fly the spaceship? Are you trained in flying the spaceship?
Yes.
Yeah? How many years of training do you have? Huh? Yeah? Do you know how to fly a spaceship? Hello. Hello. How are you? Can we be the pilot?
Sure, just stand tight real quick.
Okay, look at this.
Right here.
Alright. Wow, you're so excited. You're so excited. Look at this. We're flying the Millennium Falcon. This is so cool. So cool. Look at this. So many buttons. You see so many buttons?
Can I press it?
Can you try it? Oh no. What happened? Let's go. You ready to fly the Millennium Falcon?
And then you two, just hold on here for a bit. Yeah, you two right here. Have you guys already done this?
She did, I did.
You did. Okay, so just make sure you guys are in the front part of the ship.
Okay.
We're going to go all the way to the front, okay?
Okay.
All right, little mate, you got this?
You got this?
Yes.
You good? All right.
Is this the pilot seat? Is that
Yeah,
all
at
the
the
way?
very front, you're going to be the pilot up there.
All right. Wow. Then wait, you have to wait, okay? You have to wait for the
You guys
instructions.
go right side that hole.
Okay, thank you. Wow, look at this. Oh my god.
Welcome, my friends. Right
Wow.
this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all.
Good luck.
You might need it.
Good luck.
Today's
High
flight
five.
takes you to the planet
Reina.
Corellia.
High
You
five.
will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
He's coming along with us. Wow. Oh.
This way, come in, sit down, buckle your seatbelt.
Wow.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise young ladies.
Okay.
Por favor.
Okay. All right, seated. You know, wow, you're an expert.
Good job. Pull that yellow strap.
Pull yellow strap. Pull it.
Awesome.
Good
Keep
job.
those masks on. Press those flashing buttons now.
Press it. Whoa. 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 Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Reina, are you ready to fly the ship? You can press anything. Wow. Oh. Do you press? Oh my god.
Engineers,
Oh.
automatic
Oh.
repair engaged.
Oh. Oh, okay. Whoa.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Press it.
Pilot on the left,
Whoa.
move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot
Right,
on the
pilot.
right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. No, gunner. Auto weapons engaged.
Whoa.
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Whoa, very nice. You're flying the
Now
ship.
let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Whoa. Oh, light speed. Whoa. Wow.
Train, jump, papa. heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've got on to us. Take evasive action.
Wow. So good right now.
There it is. After that train. Pilot brakes.
Left.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. All right, ship. Well, I have no axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. That cargo's pretty
Good job, Reina. Really good job.
Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Who's Andrew?
Let's get out of here.
Fire! Wow!
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your
Yay!
my
Such a good job!
only for damaging the Falcon.
Good ship!
Hey, not bad.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Alright, we're on.
Alright.
Very nice.
go.
Come back this way. Yeah, then we'll
cool.
back out
We
through
have
there,
a
mate.
curling
Thank you.
freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days.
Oh my god.
Better fix all that
Reina!
before the Wookiees
Reina!
use it.
First time flying this ship! So good. So good. So good. So good. Let's go, 小新，你要签了吗 ？Oh my gosh. 你好。Yeah? Oh, look at this. So cool. Let's go this way. Wow. Reina, tag mommy, let's go.